Can you ever forget March 2020? According to me, it was the most uncertain period in our lives. The days were very dark and the future looked very bleak. And to top it up, the markets cracked by over 30%. Do you know what that means to an investment manager like me? My income fell by over 30% in a matter of just 15 days. But come March 2021, my new assets had grown by over 135%. I had acquired over 15 new clients in a matter of just 12 months. The COVID year actually turned out to be the most successful year ever in my investment management history. I just did one thing that changed the entire story. I just started sharing. Let me tell you the complete story in this video. I have been active on LinkedIn from July 2019 onwards, and in fact had got connected to a good set of people in a matter of 6 to 9 months. And then came March 2020. My friend, who is my walking partner and is also one of the best marketing brains, told me, Anand, you have the experience, you have the knowledge of managing money, and actually have made tons and tons of money for your investors for the last 18 years. Why don't you share your knowledge with everybody? This actually triggered a change of thought in my mind. I said, in these desperate times, it does make sense for me to share my knowledge, whatever little, on investing with everybody. And so did I. I started posting videos and posts that I thought was good for investors. And in April, a senior executive of a very large tech firm pinged me from Sweden. The prospective client pinged me on LinkedIn saying, let's connect over a Zoom call. Though I have used a lot of technology, I had never logged onto a Zoom call. I'm sure that's the case with you guys too. I was a little nervous, not because I didn't know Zoom, because I was not sure how will an investor ever give me money without seeing me in person. I was a little worried on the future of this call, but at the end of the video call, I was surprised. He said, great Anand, let's start tomorrow. He gave me an amount of rupees 60 lakhs to start with. It's a different fact that the timing was right, and today it is worth over rupees 1 crore. There was another big benefit of this entire exercise of sharing knowledge with investors. In the last 14 months, I would have done 120 Zoom meetings with new set of investors. Someone is young, others are old, someone has got a lot of money to invest in, some small money to invest in, few from India and others from across the globe. I've just given them a basic framework to invest their assets into, and have also requested a behavioral change towards money that can help them grow up the wealth ladder. They have, of course, thanked me for the job that I've done. But the best part of all this sharing is that when your old investors come to you and appreciate the work that you've done on the social media platform, many have said, this is the best thing I've done in the last 15 years. And that's the whole reason why I believe the wealth management business that I was doing, whose future looked a little dark, today has turned around the corner. And I'm sure you do have a story like this. Please do share, and also always feel free to ask me questions about investing.